Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the ultimate solution for flute maintenance, the best Flute Care Kit. Whether you're a passionate musician, a dedicated student, or just someone who loves to play, maintaining your flute's performance and longevity is essential. This kit comes with everything you need to keep your instrument in top shape. Let's start with what's included in the kit. You'll find key oil and cork grease, which are critical for keeping the key levers flexible and ensuring they operate smoothly. This not only enhances your playing experience but also reduces wear on the instrument, extending its life. The specially formulated valve oil comes with a child-proof safety cap, making it safe and easy to use. Cleaning is another crucial aspect of flute maintenance, and this kit doesn't disappoint. It includes a cleaning brush designed to thoroughly clean the inner cavity of the flute without causing any damage. The soft hair bristles make it easy to reach every nook and cranny, ensuring your flute stays pristine and ready to play anytime. Additionally, the kit features an absorbent cloth and a cleaning rod, providing you with the tools needed to wipe down your instrument after playing. This step is vital for preventing moisture buildup, which can lead to corrosion or other long-term issues. One of the standout features of this product is its thoughtful design. Every item included is made from high-quality materials, meaning you won't have to worry about replacing these tools anytime soon. The versatility of this kit makes it a fantastic gift for any flute player, whether they're just starting out or have years of experience. But that's not all. This cleaning kit caters to all commonly branded flutes, so whether you own a student model or a professional one, you can trust that it will meet your needs. In conclusion, if you're serious about taking care of your flute, investing in the best Flute Care Kit is a decision you won't regret. It combines quality, convenience, and everything you need to keep your instrument in excellent condition. Be sure to check it out and trust your flute to the care it deserves. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.